Hi, I'm Chandler Scheuermann, an engineer at NASA's Michoud Assembly Facility in New Orleans, Louisiana, and this is Rocket Science in 60 Seconds. More than 700,000 gallons of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen are pumped into the core stage and upper stage in order to fully fuel NASA's Space Launch System. Liquid hydrogen is chilled to minus 423 degrees Fahrenheit. Liquid oxygen is chilled to minus 297 degrees Fahrenheit. The SLS's cryogenic tanks are specifically designed to maintain these super cold temperatures. Pumps at the launch pad and within the mobile launcher are used to load the super cold propellant to our moon rocket. Liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen boil off quickly in the floor to heat. During tanking operations, these off gases are vented and seen as white clouds around the rocket.